Oh, I can see this. I can see the line. I can see the ceiling.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see the ceiling.
Yes, this is all our new model here.
Yeah. Yeah, I can. Oh, actually. Okay, okay, it's better now.
Okay. And also we have street bus here, and also we have some woodlands. Let me show you.
Okay.
I'm sorry about that because I had adjust our internet here, so have later Sunday. About this, you can see that this had a three color, and also this is the very special design here.
Mm-hmm.
And also we had in this one, yes.
It's in
You can
different
saw about
shape.
that. Yeah, we all have very pretty setting lay. Also about it is with 3D efforts. About this design is very popular in our market.
Okay. It's popular and high quality and competitive. Oh. I can.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I can see the light with the different shape. So you said you have three color temperature, right?
Yes. Also, I want to show you about our table lay. And this is a very simple design.
Okay. It can be used for
But about the table lay is about 4,000 here, the carton.
Oh.
And also, did you have any need to introduce for you?
Yes. Please introduce more information about the lamp.
And then, also we had the trampoline. Our company is more very simple design here, and also we have very popular in this model. Yes.
Oh, it's very popular, right? Recently, the model ring.
This is our new this year.
Can you turn on the light? Would you like to turn on the light?
Okay. This is the effort.
Oh, it looks pretty.
Yeah. And there is have one color here. Also, we have our other standing lay is has three, but in this one is had one.
Okay. Wow, I see. This is a huge showing room. You have so many different kind of products.
Please wait a moment. I will check the line. That is the 3D efforts.
Different shape of the light.
Yes.
And I think your company has many foreigner clients. So do you have any certification for the international business?
Did you mean which marking we had to main point?
Oh, I lost you. Can you hear my questions, or you want go on showing your showing room? It's fine.
I'm sorry, please say it again.
Okay, I mean, from the information you give to the Lightstrade, your company has do many business to the foreigners. For example, in the Europe, such as Germany, UK, Italian. So do you have any certification for them?
Our marketing is meant in Europe, just Russians. Okay. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Oh, thank you so much for showing us the beautiful showroom. Because of time limited, so I hope we will see you next time. Would you like to give us your contact information?
Okay, I will. Wait a moment. Yeah, here is my email.
Okay. Okay, we see it on the screen. So if we have any questions, we can contact with you through your email. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.